Finally, it's here. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I can't get rid of the smile from my face. The day has arrived. My battery's finally here. I've been waiting for this. I ordered my battery about 6 weeks ago, give or take. And it finally arrived. This is the brand new ChiBattery Gen 2 from ChiBatterySystems. Now I know most of you guys go for the 60 max because you want to max out the power and stuff. I like range, and if I wanted crazy power, I'd buy a real motorcycle. So the power is enough with this one. It can go up to 10 kilowatts. The one before that was up to, if I'm not mistaken, 7.5 or 8, but when I contacted them, they told me I can run my old one up to 9, so I can go up to like 150 amps, which is plenty of power, definitely for off-roading and for the road. I think I hit like 56 miles an hour and the bike was still pulling. Again, if I wanted to go 80 miles an hour and crazy stuff like that, I'd get a real motorcycle. Also, with the 60 max and all that stuff, when you push it with that much power, you get like 20 miles, 25 miles. I'm not here for that. I want to explore. I want to go for a long time. So I got the Endurance. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So yeah, like I said, this is the Gen 2, 60 volt, 60 amp hour. Comes very well packed as their other battery. We got a ChiBattery hardware kit right here. We'll check that out in a moment. Alright. Get rid of this. Let's see what we got here. Let's start with the hardware kit. Fix Magic Pro. The scratch has been, oh, I see, look at this. They give you a little, that's new. I guess if the battery scratches from taking in and out, they give you a little black ink to fix it up. That's interesting. Over here, we have the battery lid extension. So my battery is a little taller, but my bike, I already have this installed. So we'll put this on the side. What else do we have here? Seems like the plug that you need to install on the original battery has the power plug, and then the information plug. You plug this plug into the information plug. I'll show it to you anyways. So we got a piece of extra foam to put on the bottom of the battery lid so it closes nice and snug. This is, I hope you can see this, this is the plug that you connect to the information port to make sure that without this plug, the bike will not go as fast. But I already have mine installed, so I've got an extra one right here, and then some hardware pieces to install the battery lid, which I already have installed. So we'll put this away. This might come in handy. This is the little fix-it magic thing. Interesting. And we got some stickers and a manual or something like that. That's cool, that's new. All right, so this is just some information on the Smart BMS app and specs on the battery, which is a 60 volt, 60 amp hour. It's got 3,456 watt hours, continuous amps 173, peak amps 260, which is a lot. Continuous power 10 kilowatts, and this is an LG M50 LT cells in this battery. And then it just comes with some cool graphics and some stickers from ChiBatterySystems. So let's put this back and on to the main course. This is what you guys are here for. I can already smell the paint from the battery, freshly painted. Let's get that out of here. All right. Look at this thing, guys. What a monster. And look at this beautifulness right here. We got Volted Adventures printed right on the box. Shout out to ChiBatterySystems for that. Shout out Brandon, I appreciate it, man. That's a hookup right there. We got our own custom battery made in the US, baby.
Yo, Tom, what it do?
Look at this thing, guys. Oh my God, look at the construction. Got that metal, fresh paint smell. The strap over here is super legit. I went ahead and ordered mine with the Supra connector, the original one for the Sur Ron, just to make my life easier. You can also order it with the QS8 if you're planning on running some crazy amps. Not in my case. Again, I'm more of a range guy, exploring and adventures. This is our channel, so sticking with this, that should be all right. Let's turn that screen on. Look at this manufacturing date, a day after my birthday. So there are some instructions as far as the screen goes that I just read in that manual that says while you're charging it, you want to have the screen on and things like that. I'm still going to read a little bit more and see exactly how it is. Also, they suggest to turn the screen on while riding to get an accurate reading from the screen. Now, I wish I was able to give you guys a discount code, but for some reason, unfortunately, ChiBattery just will not give me one. I guess, I don't know what it is, because I've seen other channels with less subscribers than my channel who already have a code. So I'm not really sure what the logic is there. Brandon, Chi, if you guys are watching this, come on guys, hook it up with a Volted Adventure code. Just Volted, so I can hook my viewers up so they can enjoy this great product. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to do a nice little unboxing. Super stoked for this battery. For the moment this battery came out, I told myself I'm gonna have it, and here we are, we have it. So next, what I gotta do is just remove the old original battery that I've been using for the past month and a half or so. Installing this, I'll have to throw on my wrap that I have for the battery. And I got more upgrades like this thing right here. This beautiful Milk Racing 16-inch rim that I got from Milk Racing. I mean, look how fat this tire is, guys. It's been sitting here for a while. I've been waiting for my battery to arrive, so I finally will get to install this beautiful, beautiful Milk Racing 16-inch. And like I said, guys, I'm an ambassador for Milk Racing. A number of you guys already have used my code, so you know who you are. If you're watching this, thank you very much. You're helping your boy out, helping the channel. And shout out to Milk Racing for hooking it up with a discount code that I can give my viewers. They got the best prices out there for the Sur Ron wheels. You can also get tires from them as well. And if you use code VOLTED, you'll get yourself a nice discount and support the channel, support your boy. So I appreciate that. So yeah, next we'll install this baby in, we'll put the battery in, and we'll go exploring a little bit more. But that's pretty much it for me, guys. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!